the silent power behind almost everything we do. But have you ever wondered how an electric motor is actually made? The journey begins with raw metal and incredible precision. It all starts with the core components. On a high-speed lathe, the rotor is expertly machined, ensuring perfect balance for a smooth, efficient spin. Meanwhile, the stator core is prepared, with insulation paper meticulously inserted into each slot to prevent short circuits. Now, for the heart of the motor, the copper windings. With incredible skill, technicians manually insert these pre-wound coils, creating the powerful electromagnets that will generate motion. Once in place, a high-speed lacing machine stitches the coils tightly, a crucial step to prevent vibration and ensure durability. With the core components ready, assembly begins. High-performance bearings are press-fitted onto the rotor shaft, the key to a long and frictionless life. Then comes the critical moment. The rotor is carefully inserted into the stator, uniting the two halves of the machine. The motor is sealed with an end cap, protecting the internal workings. Specialized components like this electromagnetic brake are installed for applications requiring instant stopping power. But it's not finished yet. Every single motor undergoes a rigorous final test. Using laser tachometers and clamp meters, technicians verify its speed, power draw, and efficiency. Only after passing every quality check is it ready. From raw materials to a finished powerhouse, this is the precision and power that moves our world.